Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to common issue in Hadoop, the data node not starting. If you are setting up Hadoop cluster and encounter this problem, don't worry. I will guide you step by step to identify the issue and resolve it. So let's get started. When I run the start-all.sh command to start all Hadoop daemons, everything seems to start except for the Hadoop data node. And when we check the status using JTS, the data node process is missing. The first step is to verify your configuration file. Open the hdfs-site.xml file, which is located in the Hadoop configuration directory. Look for the properties dfs.datanode.data.dir. Here's what it should look like. Ensure that the path you have specified here exists on your system. If it doesn't, Hadoop won't be able to start the data. Step 2. Create the directory. If the directory specified in dfs.datanode.data.dir doesn't exist, create it. Use the following command to do this. Once the directory is created, you need to set the correct permission to ensure Hadoop can access it and run this command. Now the directory is ready for use. Step 3. Restart Hadoop daemons. After fixing the configuration and directory permissions, restart all Hadoop daemons. First stop the running daemons using stop-all.sh. Then start them again with start-all.sh. And finally, let's validate this setup. Open your Hadoop Web API by navigating to localhost 9870 in your browser. Then click on the data node tab and you should see your data node listed here. And that's it for today. You have successfully resolved the data nodes not starting issue. I hope this video helped you solve your data node issue. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.